Yes! Oh my god. I just knocked my camera over. Sheesh. All right, let's try this again. Ice cream, baby! What's up, everybody? Today we're doing one of my favorite things ever. Well, actually, one of my favorite things to eat ever. Oh, I should probably turn this on. My bad. Thanks for reminding me. Today's DIY is I'm gonna show you guys how to make ice cream in a Ziploc bag. A lot of us think that we have to go to a machine and pull a lever and then it just happens. Well, that is easier, actually. It is easier, but it's not as fun. You could make your own homemade ice cream in 5 minutes. Now, I get it. It sounds way too good to be true, but trust me, guys. Well, don't trust me technically because I've never done this before. Over my entire career, I've never really done DIYs before filming, and I've only had a few fails, probably under 10 fails. So my track record's pretty damn good. This is a DIY that you guys can do at home. Like, most likely you'll have these materials at home, but if you don't, you could literally get this at like a supermarket, and not like a grocery store. I'm talking supermarket, like the baby version of a grocery store. I hope this works. It's DIY Wednesday. Okay. Guys, I hope this works because it can be so tasty. First things first, you're gonna need some kosher salt. No idea what kosher salt is, but it says you need kosher salt. I think it's just really like granulated salt. You need sandwich Ziploc bags. So like the normal size. Okay, let me show you here. This size. Literally the size you see floating around a schoolyard on the ground. Like as litter. Don't litter. Boom, you're also gonna need some extra large Ziploc bags. I'll show you this as well. These guys, okay? So you've got the sandwich bag, it's very small, and you need a big one. This right here is, it's a freezer bag, so it's like extra large freezer bag. You need some half and half cream. Now, if you don't have half and half cream and the off chance that you guys have whipping cream, you can use that as well. You're gonna need a measuring cup. You're gonna need some tablespoons. This is for measuring, obviously, in case you guys didn't know. Guarantee you know every freaking kid in their house, their parents have these. We all know the drawer in our house where we could find these. Some ice cubes. Now I get it, I'm using an ice cube tray. I usually judge those people because most people have like the automated fridge thing where it's like ice is unlimited. Not in this household. We do things old school. Have you guys ever seen ice that is like halfway melted? Check this out. This right here, it's like the top is frozen. Can you see this? But watch. It's so weird. No one ever sees ice in this stage. They see it as water and they see it as like hard ass cubes. You also need sugar, granulated sugar. Let's get started. Step one is you want to take your Ziploc bag, the sandwich one, and you're gonna pour half a cup of cream. Just like that. We're gonna go ahead and put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's gonna look like soy sauce, okay? Pour that in there. Next, we are going to do 2.5 teaspoons of sugar. 1, 2, and a half. We have our mix right here. Pour that in this sandwich bag. Next, you're gonna close the bag like 90% of the way. You're gonna leave a little bit of space at the end here, okay? And you wanna get all the air out without having any of the liquid come out. Most of the air is out of this bag. You want to do your best, but you can see that it's like completely flat. We have our mix. We're gonna put that aside. Next, we are gonna take our big freaking like extra large bag. We're gonna take our little bag and put it inside, just like that. We're gonna take our ice cubes, and you want to put all the ice cubes in. I don't have enough, but if you guys want to do this properly, fill it halfway up the bag, okay? Man, I feel like 6 ice cubes. This is super empty. You should have way more ice than that. However, if I can do it, then you'll be able to do it. Next, we are going to take the kosher salt and do 6 tablespoons. Yeah, so I think kosher salt is just like really grainy ass salt. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if you spill some, grab some and throw it over your left shoulder. Maybe right shoulder, I don't know. It's a superstition. Leave a little bit of air in there, and now close up the bag. This is where it gets a lot of fun. And this is where I think the whole DIY and the activity takes place. And we are gonna shake this bag with our entire mixture for 5 to 8 minutes. Let's do it. Oh my God. Man, my hands are frozen. So cold. Why is this so cold? I think that has something to do with the kosher salt. It's been 1 minute. This bag is freezing. go. I did not think it was gonna get this cold. It's just ice cubes. I don't get it. God, I hope this works. 2 more minutes. Oh, my hands. Guys, this is freaking freezing. If this doesn't work, this whole video is a waste of time. 1 more minute. Let me get a bowl and let's see. Big reveal, big reveal, big reveal. Grab the bag. Oh, it looks like a cheese curd. Oh, it feels like ice cream. Oh my God, it freaking worked. Oh my God, it worked. Let me try. Oh my God. I swear to God, this is like, I'm genuinely shocked by this. That is so good, look. That is like legit ice cream. That literally tastes like the Breyers ice cream. What the hell? Why are more people not doing this? It's fully made real ice cream. Oh my God, it's cold. It's made ice cream. Ah, brain freeze. Oh, God. I swear to God, I have been freaking killing it with DIYs lately. I'll toot my own horn. The ghost mud, I put in my top 10 list of best DIYs I've ever done. This, 100% up there. Here's what I'm gauging it on, okay? Are all of the materials really easy to get and you might have at home? Yup. Is it quick? Yup. Is it easy? And can anybody do it? Yup. And is the outcome freaking amazing? Yes. This is legit ice cream, guys. It tastes like store-bought ice cream, and I'm not exaggerating. I can't believe how perfect that is. Well, we know for sure half and half works. I've run out of ice cubes, and it's gonna take probably an hour to freeze another batch of ice cubes, so I think I'm gonna save the whipping cream for my Instagram story. If you go over to @danocracy right now, whether or not this worked, if it worked better, if it's the same, I'm actually gonna do a post on my Instagram @danocracy doing a review of this. I just wanna see if that works. I'm not gonna show the whole process because we just did that, but I wanna know which one is better because half and half is straight up vanilla ice cream. But will the whipping cream do the same? If you guys enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. Please try it. If you do, tag me because I would love to see what you make. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because every Wednesday, I have a new DIY coming out, and every Sunday is like my shout outs days for you guys. I think tomorrow or the day after, I'm gonna be putting a question in my Instagram story where you guys can ask for advice if you're having trouble with school, friends, relationships, your dogs. I'll help you out with anything. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.